Good morning to
Good
all.
morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, please suggest today.
Go
I have
on.
my sister has a piano class, so I cannot get in my room. So I'm getting in
Hmm.
through the laptop. The camera is not working, so please suggest.
Okay, okay. You want excuse, na?
Oh, the laptop camera is not working.
Okay, laptop camera is not working. Just give me a second because just give me a second. This is totally new. Where is my normal whiteboard?
Wait, sir, I'll try to get in through my mom's phone.
Okay. Basically, the problem is here. I'm getting. What is this, yeah? I'm no. I want normal.
Sir, it's fine.
But I don't know how to use this.
So I can just like draw something and write something, like how Rebecca ma'am uses this.
But why this is moving? Like your cursor is moving, no?
Can you draw? Can you draw and show me? Right? Oh yeah, that's fine.
But your cursor is also moving, no? It's gonna be disturbing.
That's just a name tag.
What is this? Yeah, I was happy with that.
Math or science? What are we gonna do now?
Let me fix this first. Mm, Zoom whiteboard, new whiteboard. Stop following me. See, you guys, meeting participants can at least no, I don't want. I don't want your cursor also. Why your cursor is showing it to me? सारा ये Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm not able to understand why it's happening. Okay, guys. So
Sir, can you see me?
uh, give me a second.
Sir, can you see me?
Hmm. No, I mean I'm. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Yes, Agatha, we can see you.
But how will I see, guys? You guys, that you are there or not? Why they change it? I'm hating this now. Now, now I want you to see, guys. Uh-huh. How will I go in gallery mode?
What is gallery mode?
Mm, want to see you guys, no? There's a mode. I'm not able to see you guys, participants.
सिर्फ slide
I'm
करो
also not
ना
able to
उसे.
see anyone.
Hmm?
I'm also not able to see anyone, not even myself.
Yeah. Yeah. Who able to see that?
I
Just
can.
the whiteboard.
Yeah, even I'm seeing that thing only. Edric, you able to see everyone?
Where everyone? Yes, I'm able to see everyone. All the
How?
like go to this one. The
You join from a computer. You're joined from the phone.
show
Just slide
thumbnail
your,
video.
just slide your thing.
I think that's right. When I was in the when I joined in the laptop, I could see everyone. But now I joined in my mother's phone, so I can't.
Like click on show thumbnail video. I for me it's showing six of you guys in and their cameras also. It's
What
showing
is this, yaar? I
Satyas,
was very good.
Lars, and I.
Literally, I hate this now.
So all this time you never said this. How come today the problem started?
Yeah, now the new Zoom, this thing, no? Bakwas.
The new update of the Zoom.
Okay, now I can see you guys. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, this is too glitchy. Okay, so good morning to all.
Good morning to all.
Good
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Very good
Good
morning.
morning,
Very
sir.
good morning. So, can you see this anything on the board?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
visible to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so everyone, good morning. Now we will start our class. So, what we were doing?
Sir, I can't see the whiteboard. Why?
You can't see the word. I didn't write anything.
Sir,
No, the whole thing, like the whiteboard.
the dots.
Yeah, like it's
Can
totally
you
blank.
can you see my name now?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
math or science?
We're continuing science, right?
Oh my God! What is this here? Okay, now I can see it. I got it right. So, can you see my name on the board?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Miraculin?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir,
We can
like
see.
You can't see this, Miraculin?
yeah, sir.
How? Okay, so where am I? Okay, I'll locate everyone to this point. Okay, so now I will write one more name. Can you see now name,
Uh,
Miraculin?
yes,
No, sir, you can check the group. I have sent you the picture. Like it's showing like that only, like totally blank.
But for me, it's saying Hardik and Har. You wrote Har and Hardik.
Yeah, I can also see the same thing. Har and then Hardik.
Okay. Okay, Miraculin, try to rejoin it now.
Okay, sir.
Try to rejoin one more time. I believe that will help. Oh my God, this is very bad. Okay, so it will take time to understand this new Zoom whiteboard. Till then, we will do whatever the best we can do. So yeah, today we'll do the maths first. So check out maths with me, guys.
Chapter 21, right?
Yes, chapter 21. Where's chapter 21? 21, 21. Here's the 21. Surface area and volume. Okay. So, Miracle, can you see this now? Miracle, can you see this? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir. I can see this now.
Okay, perfect. So it means that it was glitch. Okay, now next thing is nothing. Okay. So we have this new Zoom whiteboard. So bear me with some mistakes because I don't know how to use it. It's the first time for me also. Okay, in my whole 5, 8 years career. So please don't write anybody. Okay, I don't know how to not allow anybody. Mm. Who is writing this? Please, guys, don't write. I don't know how to use
Hardik?
this.
Who wrote Hardik?
Okay, now you can write. Tell me. Just try to write.
Me.
Anybody?
R.
Write it down.
Now I can't.
Yeah, perfect. I got the settings. Okay. So now you guys can't write it. So thanks to this Zoom. Okay, perfect. So we will start a new chapter named as Volume, Surface, and Volume. What is the name?
Volume and surface area. Volume and surface
Surface,
area. Volume.
volume. Chapter name is Volume and
Surface area.
Surface area of solid figure. So first of all, we will understand what do you mean by solid figure. So solid figure is basically those figure which are in 3D object. Okay, which are in 3D object. So for example, can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this?
I don't know what is that.
I
It's
mean,
an iPad
it's
box.
a pen box, but it is in the form of which shape? This is a solid shape, no? So this is in the form of which shape?
So I can't find that iPen box of yours.
Huh?
What iPen box are you
You
talking
can't.
about?
So you joined with mobile.
Yeah.
So do one thing. In the right corner, you guys will see the following Hardik Varshney like that. Just hold this and slide it left. Then you will
Okay.
see all videos. Got it? Can you see all participants?
Yeah, I can see all participants, but I cannot see that ink. Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, so this is like for this is box,
iPen. iPen. Wow.
iPen box, and now it is in the form of what? It is in the
Cuboid.
form of cuboid.
Boy.
Okay, so basically in this chapter, what we're gonna learn, we will learn that if a solid shape is given to you, and if they ask you to find the area, surface area, and if they want you to find the volume, so how will you find it out? Okay, for example, a football. A football is in the shape of
Sphere.
sphere. Perfect. A birthday cake. Sorry, birthday cap. A birthday cap is in the form
Cone.
of
Cone.
cone. Yeah. So different shapes are there, and different shapes are there. So they have different view or different ways to find the formulas, to find the area. So first we will talk about cuboid. Okay. Don't play with ya.
Okay. I'm not doing anything. My brother is doing it.
Okay. So, what was trying to say that different shapes has different ways to find the surface area. So, first of all, we will understand what do you mean by surface area. So, for example, this is what this is called as cuboid. Sorry, cube. Okay, and in this cube we have this thing like this is called as in cube the all the sides are equal, like this is also a, this is also a, and this is also a.
Sir.
So yeah,
What is node? Why is the word node written inside
I don't know why it is came.
node?
Not
So is
chapter.
this Max chapter?
Math.
Yeah, math chapter. Math chapter. Okay, so cube is basically it is made up of
और
square.
मैं डिस्कनेक्ट करूँ तो सॉरी
Okay, cube is basically made up of square. Okay, so everyone please pay attention. For example, this is a square figure,
So
and if yeah,
we are trying to find the surface area of the cube, right?
yeah,
So
perfect.
would it be A into A into 6? Like the whole thing is multiplied to 6.
Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. But first of all, I want to don't write anybody, please. I'll tell you how to solve this. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. So basically, the square, like if it is in the form of square, square and square makes the cube. Repeat after me. Square and square makes a cube.
Cube.
So for example, what is the area of a square? Just now we learned. What
A
is the area of
square.
square?
A square.
A square. So basically, the cube is made up of all squares. Okay. So we have some terms. First, it is called as total surface total surface area. What is called? It is called as total surface area. Now, what do you mean by total surface area? So we know that here we have this one face, two face, three face, four face, five face, and the front one is six face. So basically, it has six face. Square has how many? Cube has how many faces? Six faces. Did you understand? Now, if you want to calculate all the faces area, so one like we know that cube is made up of square. Square area is a square. Now six faces are there, so it will become six a square. Did you understand? Total surface area basically means, if I will tell you, see, for example, this wall is made up of square. So square area is a square. Above one is also a square. Down one is also a square. This one is also a square, and this one is also a square. So if everything is made up of a square, and if I will calculate the area of a cube, total surface area of a cube, so it will become what? It will become 6a square. It will become 6a square. Okay, it will become what? 6a square. Okay, and if I will talk about, uh, LSA, which is also called as lateral surface area, it is equals to 4a square. Now, how we will calculate the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is removal of top and bottom. So now assume you are in your room and remove the top part and the bottom part. Now what faces are left? Tell me, Ira. Like if you will remove the top and bottom of your room, so what faces are left?
The sides, like
The sides. And how many sides are there? Four sides are there. And everyone has a formula of a square should become 4a square.
Then, sir,
Yeah.
instead of six faces, there will be only four square faces. So area for square is a square. No, so only it will become 4a square, and that means the top and the bottom will get removed.
Yes. So what do you mean by lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is basically total surface area minus area of top surface and minus area of bottom surface. So if you will remove the top surface and area of bottom surface, then you will get the lateral surface area. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now write it down.
Done, sir.
Done? Should I use this?
No, sir. Sir, I have a
Okay.
question.
Please.
Like when we remove the top surface and the bottom surface, the remaining parts will be like the two sides now. So how it
No, four sides. Four sides.
okay.
How?
Okay.
See, there are six faces. Like you are in your room, okay? So in
Yeah.
your room, how many faces are there? The face which is in front of you, one face.
Yeah.
The face which is behind you, two.
Yes.
Your right side, three. Your left side, four. Four faces are there. And the top one,
Okay.
five. And the bottom one, six.
So
So how many faces are there?
the ceiling and the
How-
So, so
yeah,
I understood.
ceiling.
Like now I
Hmm.
understood. Like they are six faces. Like
Six faces total are there. And if six faces area is there, it is called as total surface area. And if it is only four faces are there, then it is called as lateral surface area.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Now we will learn about the cuboid. Put the second heading as cuboid. Cuboid. Okay. Now everyone, please pay attention. Cuboid stands for it is made up of rectangular faces. Like cube is made up of uh, what? Square faces. It is made up of rectangular faces. It is made up of rectangular faces. So if I will draw it, uh-huh.
draw a rectangle, sir.
This, what is this, bro? I hate it.
So cuboid, I drew, sir.
Right. Okay, I will draw it with my hand. So for example, this is a cuboid. Okay. So in that cuboid, this is called as length, this is called as breadth, and this is called as height. Okay. So we have length, breadth, and height. Okay. Now everyone, please pay attention. Okay, everyone, come like see my camera. Everyone, please check my camera. Okay. Krishna, don't they- So for example, we have. Can you see it? Okay, we'll check it with this. Okay, so for example, this is a cuboid face. Okay, how it is cuboid? This is called as length. Okay, this is called as breadth, and this part is called as height. Like this part is called as height. Did you understand? Yes or no? I'll repeat it again. This is called as length. This is called as breadth,
Yeah.
and this is called as height. Okay.
Okay, so
Now,
basically,
if
length is x-axis, breadth is y-axis, and height is z-axis.
yeah, perfect. Now, if you want to calculate the area of this part,
That
this
will be
part,
length into height.
yes, this will be length into height. Why? Because this is length and this is height. So if you will do length into height, you will get the area of this. So if I will talk about TSA, which is also called as total surface area, it is equals to length into height. Okay. Now, if you will calculate the area of this, what will be it?
Breadth into height.
Breadth into height. Why? Because this is breadth and this is height. So it will become breadth into height. Did you understand, guys? Yes. Plus breadth into height. Now, Ira, what is the area of this face?
Like,
Length.
yeah, it's length.
Length into,
Height.
yeah, length into height. It will become length into height. Now, just round, what is the area of this?
Breadth into height.
Breadth into height plus breadth into height. Now, Miraculin, what is the area of the top one? Top one, I'm saying. This is the length and this is the breadth. So it will become, you're mute.
Length plus breadth, sir.
Length into breadth
Yeah.
plus length into breadth plus. Now, Agatha, what is the area of the down one?
Same length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Perfect. So now we have this thing in which these two are like 2LH, 2BH, and 2LB. So it will become 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LB. So it will become like if I will take out the 2 as a common, so LH plus BH plus LB is the formula for the TSA. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
What
Any
is
problem, guys?
TSA?
Total
TSA is total surface area.
Okay,
TSA
okay,
stands for
Total
TSA TSA stands for total surface area. This is what TSA form. Okay. Now we will talk about the LSA part. We will talk about the what? LSA part. So LSA, which is also called as lateral surface area. So what is the lateral surface area? So I told you if you will remove the top and bottom, you will get what? The LSA side. So what is the area of top? L
2
into B.
L, so
Yeah,
will be 2 in brackets, L into H plus B into H.
perfect. But if you calculate only lateral surface area, so you will remove the top. Now what is the area of top, Miracle? What is the area of top? What is the area of top? Like for example, this is the top one, no? So this was the length and this was the breadth. So what is the area of top? Length into
Length into breadth.
perfect. And what is the area of bottom? What is the area of bottom? This is also length and this is also breadth.
Same length into breadth.
So if you will remove the length into breadth two times, like this part, if you will remove, like this part, if you will remove, then you will get what? Only the lateral surface area. Did you understand, guys?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So what will be the formula then? So it will become 2LH plus 2BH, which will become 2 will take out as a common, 2 and H will come as a common. So it will become L plus B. This is the LSA. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Write it down quickly. Just now, did you understand anything? Ask me, better.
I understood, sir.
You understood? Very good.
So why do we need to find lateral surface area exactly?
Okay, why you want to find the little surface area? So, for example, if somebody says that we have to do paint in our house with the four walls having a cream color. So then what will you do? So you need to do lateral surface area only, no? That's why.
Sir,
Hmm.
so basically, so two into L plus B into H, that also can be written. It is equals to perimeter into height.
Yeah, perimeter into height. Perfect. Yeah, you can write it like this also. Good observation. So like 2 into L plus B is basically the perimeter of a rectangle into height if you will do, then you can get the lateral surface area also. Perimeter of rectangle into height. Lateral surface area. You guys got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now there is one more term is there which is called as diagonal. This is called as diagonal. So diagonal. Okay. So first of all, we will calculate the diagonal of a rectangle. Okay. So you guys, can you see that this is a rectangle? And in rectangle, this is 90 degree. Every angle is 90 degree. And if I will draw a line which join the opposite vertex like this, so hence BD is a diagonal. It is called as what? It is called diagonal. Did you understand, guys? Now we know that this is length and this is breadth. So it is in the form of right angle triangle. Yes or no? It is in the form of right angle triangle. If you want to find the BD hypotenuse, so the formula is h square is equals to
P square
p
plus
square
B
plus
square.
b square. Now h is basically the hypotenuse, which is
BD.
BD. P is basically the length and B is basically the breadth. So length square plus breadth square. So from this, what we got that? We got that the BD square is equals to length square plus breadth square. Did you understand, guys?
Or,
Yes or no?
or diagonal is equal to root of L square plus B square.
Perfect. Now we know that. Now, if you want to calculate the diagonal of a cuboid, if you want to calculate the diagonal of a cuboid like this, if you want to calculate the diagonal of a cuboid, so we know that what we know that we know that the diagonal of a cuboid is gonna be like this. I will make it with different color, like this point, okay, joining with this point. So, for example, if I will show in my room, it was gonna be like this. Everyone, please pay attention. For example, this corner will go and will join with this corner. Then it make a diagonal. Everyone understood? Yes or no? I'm repeating again. I am repeating again. This corner, okay, when it join with this corner, then it make a diagonal. Did you understand, guys? Now, if it is inside my room, then the like this also makes right angle triangle. Like everyone, please pay attention. Like this part joining with this part, and then coming with up to that part, like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. So this is also make right angle triangle. But right angle triangle will be like this, which I had showed in the diagram. Can you check the diagram? The green part, the green color shows the diagonal of a cuboid. The black part is the diagonal of a square. Just now that we got. This part we got, na? With the spotlight. Wait. Where is it going? No. No, I can't spotlight it. This is spoiled. Okay. So this I show na this thing. Okay. So basically this will become that thing, means L square plus B square will be this thing. Okay. This is H. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now if I will calculate the diagonal of a cuboid, which is equals to diagonal of a cuboid is equals to diagonal, like it is also in the form of, like this is P Q R. So in triangle PQR, we know that angle PRQ makes 90 degree. Hence, it's a right angle triangle. Hence, it what? It is a right angle triangle. Okay. So now we know that PR square is equals to PQ square is equals to RQ square, not equals to plus RQ square. Did you understand, guys? Now PR, uh, not PR, PQ square.
PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square.
Yeah. Okay. So now we know we have to find the PQ square, which is the diagonal of a cuboid, is equals to PR. PR is H square, and RQ square is basically simple as RQ square is simple as L square plus B square. So PQ square is equals to L square plus H square plus B square, and PQ is equals to root of L square plus B square plus H square. So this is basically called as the diagonal of a cuboid. Did you understand, guys? Everyone, how we got that? No, Agatha didn't understand. Ask me later. See, where is spotlight button?
Okay, I understood.
Pakka, no, you didn't understand. I know.
No, I mean we got that root because we took the square from PQ, and when it came to the other side, and when we
Where is that
transported
thing?
it or something to the other side, it became root, right?
Okay, well, when square moves to the
Oh,
other side, it will become root.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
So the other
correct.
side root L square plus B square plus H square came. Yeah, I understood.
can you hear me? Am I audible?
think so.
Yeah. So I'll go and I'll check it now. I'm not able to get the spotlight wala button. Okay, I'm not able to get that.
Wait, I'm doing it, sir.
Okay, so basically, Agatha, what was I trying to say? I was saying that see, this is what the diagonal of a rectangle. You got this diagonal of a rectangle? Yeah. So now in this part, in this part, in this part, this part, we have this rectangle diagonal. Just now we what we got? Okay, this part. Just now we got the rectangle of diagonal, and this part is basically the diagonal of a cuboid. The diagonal of a cuboid, like PRQ. Can you see this rectangle? आवाज कम करो. This is a triangle PRQ, na? Can you see the triangle PRQ?
Yes,
So
sir.
in this we have this base. This is hypotenuse, and this is called as what? This is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Like PQ is hypotenuse, PR is what? Base, perpendicular, and RQ is base. Okay. Just now we got the base, which is L square plus B square. PR is basically the H square, like perpendicular, and the diagonal will become like this is the formula for that. Yes, just wrong.
Sir,
But sir, the diagonal is root square. I mean, sorry, root root of L square plus B square.
Yeah, so I didn't wrote I put it in the square form. Yes, just wrong.
So I don't understand how that will work because RQ square plus PR square is equal to PQ square. But when you replace the values, it's like PR is the height, but an RQ is the breadth, but it's supposed to be squared. But RQ is L square plus B square. So shouldn't
Okay,
that
so
square?
we'll do one thing. For your confusion, it is making like this. Now, now is it fine? Yeah. Now is it fine or not?
So, can you explain how RQ square is equal to L square plus B square?
See, we just now basically the problem here is the rectangular diagonal. First, we have to calculate the rectangular diagonal. So this is rectangle, and his diagonal is basically BD is equals to root of L square plus B
Okay.
square. You got this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Now in this part, when we are calculating PRQ part, okay, when we are calculating the PRQ part, the RQ is the diagonal of a rectangle,
Yes.
which is just now we got, which is root of L square plus B square. Okay. PR is the height, which is H. And we know that this makes 90 degree. This makes what? This makes 90
Yes.
degree. This is 90 degree, no? So if this makes 90 degree, so PRQ is a right angle triangle. And in the
Yes.
right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras formula. So if this is a Pythagoras formula, so this is the height. Okay. This is the base, which is root of L square plus B square. And PQ is the hypotenuse that we have to find, which is the diagonal of a cuboid also. Did you understand?
Yeah.
So I just put the value then. PQ square is equals to H square plus root under L square plus B square. The square and this root will cut. H square will become H square. So this is the formula.
Okay.
Everyone got it?
Yes, sir. So for diagonal of a cuboid, we use this formula. What about diagonal of a cube and diagonal of a square?
The diagonal of a
Cube and diagonal of a square.
there's just one thing.
yeah, we'll talk about it. Yeah.
If the square, okay, so if PQ square goes to the other side, L square plus root L square and B square, the root will disappear. Or something?
Okay, which part? This part.
No. I'm talking about the equation part in which PQ square equals L square plus root of L square plus B square. Like, how did the root disappear?
So the root and square will cancel each other. Agatha, see, the root and the square will cancel out each other. See, it will become root of L square plus B square, the whole square. So that
You're talking this
that
part.
is I mean, the PQ square is equal to h square plus root of L square plus B square whole square. That one. The PQ square is equal to,
This one you're saying, no? This one.
yeah, this one. This one
Yeah,
only.
this one.
So basically, we have this value like L square, and this square can be cut it down because it's a whole square, na? So we can simply cut it down and making simply as L square plus B square like this part. You got it?
The root will cut with the square. So root.
Root will cut with the square. So like basically, if it is written like this, L square plus B square, and the square is there, so you can simply cut with this.
Same thing we did in the previous ones, the previous chapters also. We cut the.
You got it?
Okay. I got it.
Uh, so I know it's a little bit tricky, and today's class is very, very messy. But sorry for that.
Now teach the diagonal of a square and diagonal of cube.
Yeah, I will show you. So this is all about cuboid. So you wrote everything, guys.
Yes, sir.
Now we will talk one more thing about volume also. Volume. So we'll write the volume of a cube. We will talk about the volume of a cube. Now everyone please pay attention. Okay. Volume of cube. Void, sorry. Volume of cuboid. See, the name volume is basically means area of a base into height. If you will do this thing, you will always get volume. Area of a base into height. So if I will draw, and if I will draw a cuboid for you guys, if I will talk about this case, so this is the base, and what is the area of the base? Is length into breadth. And what is height? This is height. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Yes. So volume is equals to length into breadth into height. This is the formula. Volume is equals to length into breadth into height. Did you understand, guys?
Cuboid. Okay, cuboid.
Now I'm loving this.
Yeah, I too love this root and square, Pythagoras theorem, and all those things. I mean,
Not this. I'm saying this whiteboard. Because now I'm getting this. David, turn on the camera. I can see you. Yeah, perfect. 2-3 classes will take more to understand it more clearly, but now I will get this. Okay, now the next thing we were doing about cube. So you guys can also shift it, okay? If you mess something, so with your cursor you can shift it to downwards or to. Okay. Now, if I will talk about the cube, we learn about the cube. Yes. So cube is looking like this. Okay. Now, what is the TSA of cube? TSA of cube is 6a square. What is LSA of cube? LSA of cube is 4a square. And how? Just now we taught about it. Now, if I will talk about the diagonal of a cube, diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of a cube. So first of all, we have to find the diagonal of a square. Everyone, please pay attention. So because we know that cube is made up of square, so we have to draw it like this. First, you have to draw the square. This is a square. Yes or no? This is a square. Now we know that in square, the sides is basically all sides are equal, and this is also makes 90 degree. So if I will write a name, for example, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Okay, so diagonal of a cube is basically, my God, the PQR is a right angle triangle. Yes, guys, it's a right angle triangle. So now what is the formula for the diagonal PQ? The diagonal PQ will be equals to PQ square is equals to PR square plus RQ square.
Yeah.
Okay. Now PQ square, PR, what is PR? PR is A square, and RQ is what? RQ is also A square. So PQ square is equals to 2A square. Okay. So PQ square is equals to root of 2A square. Okay. So PQ square is equals to root 2A. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This is the diagonal of
Because
a
A square,
square.
because A square is given, no. So that root and square will cut only for the A. That's why it will become
Yeah, only for the A.
to A.
Yeah. The root 2 will remain as root 2,
Yeah.
but the A square, A will cut. Did you understand, guys?
I mean, not the
Yes
A.
or no?
The square will cut with root.
Yeah, the only the square of a will cut with the square of a root. So, like for example, if I will write one step with you guys before that, so I can write it like this. See, PQ is equals to root 2 into root a square. This and this will cut. So it will remain like this, root 2 a. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Any
Yes,
problem
sir.
in this?
Sir, give 2 minutes. I need to write it. Wait.
You got this? Miracle? Everyone got this?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? Now, if I will calculate the diagonal of a cube, okay? If I will calculate the diagonal of a cube, so everyone please pay attention. Now, if I will calculate diagonal of a cube, so it's gonna be the same like the previous one, okay? It's gonna be the same like the previous one. Okay, so now everyone please pay attention. So we have this thing that this will be the diagonal of a square. Okay, this will be the diagonal of a square. Okay, and this gonna be the diagonal of a cube. Yes or no? So if I will write P Q R here, so the diagonal of a square is basically root 2a. Yes or no? This is also A. Yes or no? And if you want to find it, so in a cube, we have triangle PRQ, which is right angle triangle, right angle triangle. And if it is right angle triangle, and if it is a right angle triangle, so if it is a right angle triangle, so it is basically PQ square is equals to PR square plus RQ square, because it's a right angle triangle. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Everyone, please pay attention. So PQ square is equals to PR. Now PR is basically A square plus RQ is root 2A whole square. So PQ square will become A square plus 2A square. So PQ square will become 3A square, and PQ square will be, no, I mean PQ gonna be root
Sir,
3A square. Yeah.
okay. In this step, PQ square equals A square plus root 2A square. Won't the square and the root cancel each other out, leaving 2A?
Which one part, beta? No, the A doesn't have square, no. In this, the A doesn't have square. Like A, if A also have root, then you can cancel it. But this square will be on both root also and will be on A also.
Okay.
Got it? No.
Oh, okay. So only root 2, so only 2 is a root. A is not a root.
Yeah, only 2 is the root. So that's why this will cancel with this, make only 2. And this A will have a square, so it become A square.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So this is basically the PQ formula, which is root 3A. Like the diagonal of a cube is root 3A. So I will mention it. Diagonal of a cube is root 3A. You guys got this? How we got the answer? Miraculous? You didn't understand anything? Ask me, beta.
Yeah, like the three, like how the three came. Like I'm confused in that.
See, if you will talk about the 3, see, the 3 came like this. This is root is there. So this square and this root will cut. Only 2A square is there. So what
Yeah.
will be the 2A square plus A square? What is the answer of that? 3A square?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this is 1A square, no? So 3A square. So when this square will go that side, it will become root like this. Now this
Yes.
root is on 3 also, and this A square also. So this square, A square and the root will cut, become only A, and the root 3 will remain like root 3 like this. This is the diagonal of a cube.
Okay. Yeah, I
Got
understood,
it?
sir.
Sir, so
Yeah.
basically
Now,
the diagonal of a square is root 2A and the diagonal of a cube is root 3A.
yeah, perfect. Now, if I will talk about the volume. Now, what is the formula for volume, David? What is the formula for the volume?
Area of base into height.
Yeah, what is the area of base? A square. And what is
Yes.
height? A. So it becomes A cube. So the volume of cube is A cube. You guys got that?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Right.
So we have some formulas that you guys have to learn it by tomorrow. Okay, the first formula is volume of no, first formula is
TSA
TSA,
cube, TSF cube, LSCF cube, ASF
LSA,
cube, LSCF cube, and comes out
diagonal,
diagonal of
and
diagonal of
volume.
cube, diagonal of
So
rectangle,
first is cuboid.
volume
My
of
God,
cube, diagonal square, diagonal cube.
who's singing? Agatha, you?
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so first is TSA, LSA, diagonal, and volume. Okay, so these are the some formulas that we have to learn by tomorrow. Tomorrow I will ask when we'll start it. So tomorrow I will ask. So what is a cuboid? TSA. Can anybody tell me? Two.
6a square.
Two
No, wait,
times
sorry.
2 times LB plus BH plus HL.
Uh, and what is cube? 6a square. What is LSA?
2H times
2.
B plus H.
Yeah, 2h L plus B. What is cube? 4a square. What is diagonal? Root of L square plus B square plus H square root 3a. What is volume? L into B into H. And what is cube? Cube formula is A cube. This is the formula. Got it, guys? So this is what we learned today.
Right. A cuboid, what is TSA?
What is this, bro? Now what is cube? You guys got this? Got this?
Wait, I'm doing.
सेव करते कैसे? I don't know. कल check करेंगे. Okay, so this is what we learned today. Okay, so as I told you, it will take time to learn this new concept of zoo. I believe we will win this war. Okay, so you got this, guys. This formula, you have to learn it. Tomorrow we'll do some question based on it.
Yes, sir.
What?
Should we also learn the formula of the diagonal of the square and diagonal of rectangle?
Yes. I mean, you guys can learn it. There is no problem in that. But in this chapter, we have to learn this thing. Diagonal of a cuboid and diagonal of a cube. So tomorrow we will have both classes, okay? Today only we had this because we wasted some time on learning this whiteboard. So tomorrow we'll have both classes from tomorrow onwards. Okay, guys? Okay.
Both bets and science.
Yeah, both maths and science. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay, then bye. Have a nice day. Signing from Shabakir. Sayonara. Oh no, I didn't start it the live. Ayyo. Happy New Year to me. Okay, everyone. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Listen,
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
listening this dialogue after a long time, like the
Keep a
Yeah.
bracket!